They manifested their own demise coming for you. When they wanted all the bad things to happen to you, that's what they were doing, manifesting their own demise. What you put out will come back to you. In this new earth, things will not be the same. You're going to be able to think and feel once you tap in. Nothing is going to be required but a thought in this new earth. So the old ways of doing things will not work. Remember, what you project out is what you'll get back. It's all about pure intentions. Your intention means a lot, especially to the Most High. Now, you can repent. You can surrender. I was going to say rescind. You trying to rescind spell word, bitch? But you can surrender, but know that you got to pay for what you have projected. That's only the law of nature. Be more careful. Put good intentions out in this street, and good intentions will come back to you. Namaste.